On your computer keyboard, just press Windows plus Q to open the Windows search. Try. On your computer keyboard, just press Ctrl, Alt and Tab to view the open apps. Try. On your computer keyboard, just press Windows Shift and S to take screenshot of the screen. You can also take the partial screenshot like this, and the location of the screenshot will be go to Pictures, then go to folder name Screenshot, and here is your screenshot. Try. On your computer keyboard, just press Window and C to open the Teams app. Click on Start Chat to start a chat with your friend. Try. On your computer keyboard, just press Ctrl, Alt and number 4 to enter the Indian rupee sign. Try. On your computer keyboard, just press Window, Alt and R to start the screen recording. And to check where the screen recording is saved, just press Windows and G on the keyboard and it will take you where your recording is saved. And to open the location of the specific file, just click on Open File Location, click on Continue and it will take you to the folder where the recording is saved. Try. On your computer keyboard, just press Ctrl, Window and O to open the on-screen keyboard. Try. On your computer keyboard, just press Windows plus X 2 times U to shut down your PC. Try. On your Windows computer, just press Alt plus P on the keyboard to open the preview pane. Now you can preview document before opening it like this. Just select the document and it will be previewed in the preview pane. The document can be of any extension or of any type. Try. On your computer keyboard, just press Windows plus W to open the widget menu. Just click on this plus button to add widgets and personalize them as per your requirement. Try. On your computer keyboard, just press Windows plus P to change between the monitor and projection display types. You can also add a second screen. Just select and follow the steps. Try. On your computer keyboard, just press Windows plus E to open Microsoft Windows Explorer like this. Try. Suppose you are doing some kind of work and you want to peek at the desktop. For this you have to press Windows plus comma key to go to the desktop, and when you release the Windows button it will take you back to the current active window. Try. Just press Windows plus F on your keyboard and it will open a Microsoft Feedback Hub, in which you can give your valuable feedback to Microsoft team regarding your Windows features and bugs. Just choose the thread and give your feedback. Try. On your keyboard, just press Windows plus F1 to open Microsoft Windows Help and Support Center. Try.